Ito yung nagustuhan ko na definition ng maturity. It's a balance between courage and consideration. So the courage to say something, to provide feedback, pero of course, you temper it with consideration doon sa nararamdaman ng isang tao. Instead of, ay hindi ko sasabihin, hindi dahil ikaw yung nag-sacrifice or wala kang sinabi, pinalipas mo na lang, it doesn't mean na mature ka. Actually, that's a sign of immaturity. Kasi it's a lose-win mindset. Okay, so I think yun sa akin, sobrang revelation sa akin. Na parang kasi, ay ako na lang magbibigay, na parang ikaw pa yung mature. Well, in fact, hindi. Kasi you have to have the courage. Kasi it's out of fear eh. You don't want to confront, you don't want to hurt people. So you're operating on fear. So maturity is again the courage to say something, pero considering pa rin yung emotion ng taong yun. Hindi mo siya sasabihin na, matapang ako, sasabihin ko yung feedback ko sa'yo, hindi ako natatakot. Pero at the expense of hurting that person. So again, it's a balance.